Festival Jamaica 2012, London's largest cultural celebration of Jamaica's 50th year of independence throughout the Olympics.
In New York, I will be involved in a pretty huge event there on August 4th as well, so that's going to be exciting. As far as the Olympics are concerned, you know, the best place would be to be here in London. I'm not sure yet at this stage if that's going to happen, but and if it doesn't, like everybody else, I will be glued to the TV and catching up on the latest news on the internet. It's in a very quirky way. It's interesting that the Olympics are here in London while Jamaica is celebrating its 50th anniversary, because in 1948 was the first time Jamaica ever competed in the Olympic Games, and it was here in London. And as we were discussing earlier, Jamaica didn't even have its own flag, and now we're here, and curiously there is talk, even as we celebrate 50 years of anniversary as an independent nation and we're competing in the Olympic Games, that we may be looking to remove ourselves from the Commonwealth. So it's really interesting how things change over time.